Hello and welcome to this live Forex trading session. As usual, this our weekly session where we go through the markets, look for trading opportunities, looking mainly at the Euro-US dollar market and the dollar-Canadian market. And afterwards, if you have any questions, comments, or issues with your trading or your platform, we'll take all the questions, comments, and issues after we've gone through the markets. Okay, so we're going to kick off with the economic calendar. As usual, we'll start off seeing what the market has in store for us today. So looking at the economic calendar today is Wednesday. Today is Wednesday, the 1st of September. And as usual, my economic calendar is set to my own time zone of GMT+2. So always remember to make sure you set your time zone to your own time zone wherever you are in the world. So the times I'll be quoting on the economic calendar will be GMT+2 times. So we're going to look for reports of high importance that could affect the markets we're trading, the Euro-US dollar and the dollar-Canadian dollar. So you can see all the Asian reports have come and gone out. They've come and gone. As usual, you can just ignore reports of low importance. And, we can see later on today at 3:45 p.m. GMT+2, we have the market manufacturing PMI final report due out from the United States at 3:45. And then the last report of high importance today is at 4 p.m. GMT+2, which is the ISM manufacturing PMI report from the United States. As you know, reports of high importance due out of the United States affects all financial markets. So reports of high importance from the United States affects all the stock markets, all global stock markets, the fixed income market, the commodities market, and all currency pairs. So there's a high probability of the markets trending sideways prior to the last report of high importance, which is at 4 p.m. GMT+2, this United States ISM manufacturing PMI report. So I'm just going to avoid trading the markets prior to then. Also, if you look at the rest of the week, we know on Friday, the last day of the trading week, this Friday, the 3rd of September, we have the mega report for the week and the mega report for the month, the US unemployment rate report and the US non-farm payrolls report. This is a highly anticipated report, comes out on the first Friday of every month, hence why it's coming out on Friday, the 3rd of September. It comes out the first Friday of every month. It's a huge report of huge significance, highly anticipated, and there's a likelihood of the markets just trending sideways all week leading up to the report on Friday. So due to that fact, I will only have one attempt at the market today in view of the report coming out on Friday. So even today, I'm just going to have one attempt at around 4 p.m. when this last report of high importance comes out. As usual, just keep an eye on market watch, see if there's anything creating uncertainty in the market. The only major thing creating some uncertainty in the market is the issue in Afghanistan and the chaotic situation going on there. So you just watch that space. So let's go to the charts. So we'll start with the Euro-US dollar. And this is the day time frame for the swing trading. We can see the market was initially trending down. And then on Friday last week, the market broke the moving average 50, took my pending buy order with a 100 pip stop loss. And I'm waiting for the market to move at least 100 pips in my favor. So that's why I have this marker here of 100 pips. So once it moves 100 pips in my favor, I'll then start moving my stop loss with the moving average. But till then, I'll leave my stop loss of 100 pips in place. So nothing to do there. So go to the 5-minute time frame. You can see the market is currently trending sideways between R1 and S1. You can see the pivot point is within the sideways trend. But again, like I said, because of the report coming out at 4 p.m. from the United States, I'm not going to place any pending orders now. I'll just leave the market alone and reassess just before the report at 4 p.m. GMT +2 and look for trading opportunities then. Let's look at the dollar, Canadian dollar. Again, we start with the swing trading from the daily time frame. We can see the market is currently trending up in a haphazard fashion. The moving average 100 today is 1.2378. And you can see I've adjusted my pending sell order to just 2 pips below that with a 100 pip stop loss. So I'll just keep adjusting my pending sell order every day with the moving average until the market breaks the moving average and takes my pending order. So we could go to the 5-minute time frame. Again, the market is trending sideways between R1 and S1. And again, I'm going to leave this market alone. I'm not going to place any pending orders, and I'll reassess just before the report at 4 p.m. GMT +2. So that's my plan for today. So any questions? If you have any questions, you can either raise your hands or send your questions or comment through the question box.